Hey guys, my name is Steven and I work at the Patchogue-Medford Library, and today we're going to have fun with magnets. Alright, so in order to make your magnetic puppet, you will need these supplies, which include the Model Magic, a pack of markers, a popsicle stick, 2 magnets, 2 glue dots, right here, and 1 piece of cardstock. And you'll use the markers to decorate your, whatever you make with the Model Magic, and the cardstock will act as the stage. All right, so once you open your Model Magic kit, this is what it will be. This is what it'll look like, and you're gonna want to start modeling it right away because it starts to air dry, and it will be very hard to move and to create what you want when it's dry. So what you can do is you can take whatever you're not using at that moment and you can put it in a separate Ziploc bag. And also, when you're done, you can decorate it. It's a lot easier to color on it when it's dry, or you could also try and take a piece off like this. And for here, I'm going to use this orange marker. And if you just... And as you can see, it starts to turn orange, but it might take a little bit more time. Maybe you want to go a little bit longer with it, but as you can see, you can start to change the color from white to whatever color you'd like. All right, so for today, we're going to be making a pig magnetic puppet. All right. All right, so now that my pig is complete, we can start sticking the magnets on. So you could either just take off the paper pieces and stick them on, or you could use the glue dots also, and that will help them to stick on and to last a little bit longer. All right, so once you make sure that your magnet is secured to your popsicle stick and to your puppet, you can start to make your puppet move. So what you'll do first is put the puppet on top of the stage, and you can lift the stage up, makes it a little bit easier to move the puppet. And then if you stick the popsicle stick underneath the puppet, you can feel the magnets connect. And we'll talk about that connection more in a second. But for now, we'll just have the fun part, which is moving the puppet around. As you can see, he follows, and I'm not touching the puppet, I'm only touching the popsicle stick. And you can see as you rotate the popsicle stick, you rotate the puppet, and you can move the puppet all around the stage, and that's just how the magnet works. All right, so now let's talk about the connection between the magnets. So first off, these magnets create something called the magnetic field, and that allows one opposite end of a magnet to connect to another opposite end of a magnet. And that's why when you bring these magnets close together, you can feel them start to stick together. Even when they're not touching, you can feel them pulling close to each other. And this is because of that magnetic field. And this magnetic field actually travels from what is called a North Pole to a South Pole. And we're not too sure which one is north and which one's south, but we do know that one of them is north, one of them is south, because they connect. And this allows them to connect, which can even allow them to connect even with gravity pulling this guy down, they still connect and they still stay stuck together. And that is because of that magnetic field that makes them pull together. All right, so we hope you enjoyed this video on magnets. Come down to the Patchogue-Medford Library to take out some books on magnets to learn more about them, and see you soon.